AvPro is proud to present this Citation Excel, serial number 5211. The Excel from Cessna is one of the most popular midsize aircraft ever built, exhibiting excellent handling capabilities, reliable systems, and consistent performance, all with an extremely comfortable cabin. Serial number 5211 is the lowest time Citation Excel available on the market and boasts an excellent maintenance history. This aircraft offers an 8-passenger interior, which features a 2-place forward side-facing seat and a 4-place center club arrangement, followed by 2 single forward-facing seats. The aft lavatory features a belted seat as well for an additional passenger if needed. This Citation is equipped with an APU, upgraded avionics, including dual Garmin GTN 750 navcoms, WAAS LPV approach capability, ADS-B out, and TCAS 2. The Citation Excel, serial number 5211, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating over 25 years of excellence.